Hey everybody, it's Travis here for DisKingdom.com, and today I want to look at some of the D-lectables line. This line was put out by Imperial Toys, and this is their Easter assortment, which is available at major retailers. I got mine at Walmart. I had friends that got theirs at Target. But what these are little tiny eggs. And inside the egg contains a delectable. Delectable is a little tiny vinyl made up of 4 different pieces: a cone, a scoop of ice cream, a top, and a little accessory. Okay, so each one of these eggs, I got 12, comes with a full delectable and then a random part. Now, there's collections 1 and 2 in here. Most of these are from collection 2. This one's from collection 1. So we're going to open up these real quick. Well, as quick as we can be with these. They seem a little difficult to open, but we'll see. Come on. Oh, look, they're perforated. That would help, wouldn't it? Okay. So anyways, yep, there we go. Here's the first one. It's Dumbo. It looks like they come with a little checklist, so let's see what the checklist says. But see Dumbo. Oops. See Dumbo there. And the checklist, collections 1 and 2. Let's see. Looks like we got Minnie, Snow White, Cinderella, and Dumbo, Goofy, Tiana, Stitch, Mulan, Ariel, Daisy, Donald, the Queen of Hearts, and looks like a limited edition Goofy, limited edition Tiana, limited edition Stitch, limited edition Mulan, and I think I'm going to deal with this pieces from, but it could be one of the limited edition pieces. Maybe. Looks like maybe it comes from Mulan. I'm not sure. So, okay. So next, look, perforations. That'll help. Now this is a collection 2. I don't know what's the difference between collection 2 and collection 1, to be honest with you. But this one, you got Donald Duck. So we'll just get Donald out of here. Donald with a little bow tie. Scoop of ice cream. Very cool. And it looks like this is the glitter piece to Tiana. So it looks like maybe the extra part is part of the limited edition ones that you have to build. So I think that's cool. So here we go with Daisy. Yeah, it's Daisy. Looks like Daisy done it. So let's see. Yeah, so this is, yeah, Daisy. So. And then this looks like maybe the base for the Mulan limited edition. We'll see. These are a really cool little line I found at Toy Fair. They've been out for a bit apparently, but this one's got Minnie Mouse. Come on. So you got Minnie Mouse. Yeah, Toy Fair, they actually gave me an exclusive Dumbo from Gold Dumbo, which you can find online. We'll actually link it down below. So this must be the piece for Goofy. The Goofy limited edition. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to go with. Oh, we got Ariel. Look at that. Ariel. And then this looks like it's the scoop for Tiana. So it looks like Tiana and Mulan are building up nicely. Next, wow, these are a little difficult to open at times, especially when the perforations are not really there. I'm sure give it to kids, they'll probably open up no problem. Adults might have a time. So, looks like they got the base for the limited stitch, and then the regular Tiana from Princess and the Frog. Very cool. So far no doubles. I say that and I'll probably get doubles now. But out of the 12, I have 6, so it's pretty cool. So we got the top for the stitch cone, and it's like another one that we don't have yet. And this one is not in my I don't see that here. That's interesting. I am not sure who this is, but it's pretty cool. Let's see. Okay. Don't know who that is. If you know who it is, let me know. Okay. Oh, we got another Ariel. So I'll put her off to the side. And another Tiana cone thing. Oh, and yet another Ariel and another Tiana cone piece. So I'm pretty sure that we might be getting a little plan. Everyone not as random with the parts as we think, but could be. Not sure. So maybe a full set of 12 will bring you a full set of the limited editions of the other 4. So, but we shall see. Okay, so well, that one's Snow White, who's also not on the checklist. So I don't know what's going on, but there's Snow White. And it looks like their names are on the bases, so we'll go back here and see that this is Mulan. So I don't know if that's a different Mulan than what's in the picture. Looks like to be a different Mulan than what's in the picture. So, oh, Snow White is in that list. So yeah, that's definitely just a change in Mulan. But this is the base to the Goofy. So it looks like Mulan had changed since they put the things out. So okay, so this is the top to Goofy. So we actually have the full Goofy limited edition, which is pretty cool. And that gives us Stitch, one of my favorites. So one more. We'll get a double, or do we get another one that we don't have? I'm hoping we get one we don't have, because that will maybe get us another limited edition completed. So I have 2 out of the 3 of each of those. So, and nope, we get another top to Goofy, which brings us another Stitch. So yeah, so it looks like each one comes with a specialized piece. So out of the 12 I got, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 of them, and then we completed Goofy. So what we're missing is we're missing the base to the special Tiana, missing the top to the special Mulan, and we're missing the top to the special Stitch. And then we're missing, so we're missing Cinderella, regular Goofy, and the Queen of Hearts. So those are the 3 we're missing. So that's pretty cool. Out of the 12, I got 12 eggs. I got 3 doubles. It's cool. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like if you want. Comment on what you think. And we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.